back for another hike.
We're going to 4 waterfalls.
4 waterfalls with some new people. It's Lewis,
Yeah.
Nadia. This is Kai, Max, Lewis, Javier, Nadia.
Maybe that's just a finesse.
Bro, this dog is following us now. He's with us now.
Fresh eggs for sale. I wouldn't mind getting some fresh eggs.
Yeah.
Are we coming back this way?
Yeah. Hello. Are these horses or ponies?
Maybe baby horses? Oh no, these are ponies.
Yeah, these are ponies. Oh, maybe.
10 minutos.
Yeah. Oh, so many dogs today. Yeah.
Executed very well.
There's no one as well. Sick. Oh shit.
Maybe in like 30 years.
Yeah.
I'll let everyone else try them out.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have anything to say?
Huh?
Do you have anything to say?
Nah.
No? Not yet.
Not yet.
No. Lewis, do you have anything to say?
Bit of construction work going on here.
Oh yeah. Do you have anything to say?
Okay, no.
Okay. Kai, do you have anything to say?
Good swim.
Good swim?
Next one.
Yeah, next swim.
Let's see if we jump.
Yeah. Kai's going for a jump. You're gonna be jumping, right? Yeah.
Well, that is a crazy jump.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it's just rock, so like.
Max,
Yeah.
you go first.
I'll test it out with everyone. Yeah.
So, yeah.
Are you going for a jump?
I'm gonna jump.
And then if Max
I
starts,
have to get the pants wet.
You know, actually, I haven't seen all the other waterfalls. I've just seen this.
Okay, if we do jump off the road, so I want to jump, but we have like 20 minutes, I can just let the sun dry out in the sun.
Come on.
Bye, shut up, Jesus.
A bit scared. Steady. Thank you.
That is a motivation song, to be fair. I want to see you boys running. Come on, come on, come on.
Hello. Thank you.
Go on, sing that on the way up, see. Hurry up! Lewis, leave her.
Bro, these steps are crazy. So tiring. Yalla, Nadia. Like, walk with me, walk with me. Like, walk with me. We made it to the other waterfall.
Anything else?
No. We're gonna jump from here. We're gonna jump from here. Like, jump. I don't even know, man. It's either over there or here. Yeah? Yeah, let's go for
viewpoint.
Alright, so all the way there. Let's do it.
Lewis, what do you think of the swim?
Huh?
What do you think of the swim?
It's beautiful.
Yeah?
Not cold at all.
Have you?
Nah,
Nah.
for me. My body's not made for this shit.
Kai, what do you think of the swim, bro?
Fucking cold.
Max?
So cold.
So cool. Good, yeah.
I should have started before. I know, but I went under it was like 2 meters. Yeah, look.
God damn, that's a huge dog.
When you're ready. Jump out.
Oh!
That's horrible.